Okay, I thought I'd share some tips with you, and I'm going to use a PowerPoint that I did. And I always do my presentations, garden presentations in PowerPoint, and then I record them on Zoom. First thing I'm going to show you over here, I made some notes here, and I really don't plan on showing those, but I kept those for myself. I just slapped them in there. So if you go over to where on the left sidebar here, well, you can see that little slash mark, that means it's hidden. The way to do that is to right click with your mouse, right click here, and you can click unhide it. Or in this case, I want to hide it because I don't want it to show. And then when I go to the slideshow and go from the beginning, it starts with that second slide. Okay, got that? And then you'll also notice that annoying little icon there. Now, I just did that for show. I don't use the narrated PowerPoint thing anymore. But in this case, I am going to, I first of all, I don't want it to show in the middle of that picture. And actually, I did it in another slide here to, yeah, here, let's put it this way. It's more obvious here. And if you click like that with the little crosshairs thing, you can then delete it. Or I'm going to undo that. If you want to, you can actually take that right off here. And then when you go to the slide mode, it will still play. You can also, if you wanted to, although easier just to slide it off the screen, you can right click on the picture and right click on the picture. And then you'll be able to bring the picture to the front, and that hides you could do that with a lot of things. You could hide links to YouTube or any other thing you want. You could hide those behind a picture. And let's try it again. This time we're going to bring the picture to the back, and then our little clip will show, or click on there, bring send to back. So you could hide things be in front of each other. Okay, here's a little tip too. Now you notice if you click over here, you can right click on here and duplicate that slide. Okay, and I can duplicate it as many times as I want. Right now I'm going to click on it and delete it. But what I did here was I copied that one and made another one and added a picture. And then I copied it again, added another picture, copy it again, added another picture. So that when I go to, let's go back up here, when I'm showing this in slideshow mode, let's start from the current slide. You'll see I've got one picture, and then as I progress, it just keeps adding. Okay, and you could add a lot of pictures that way, and it makes your presentation go very quickly. Without, to help keep things moving along a little bit, shall we say, and without having to stand on one slide and talk for a long time. Okay. Two things I just thought I'd share with you. If you have any other questions, or if you want to get on Zoom with me sometime and go over your presentation, I'm happy to do that.